Hi Mama, welcome back. This video will show you how to use a breast pump step by step for comfortable and effective milk expression. Before pumping, wash your hands and make sure all pump parts that touch milk are clean and completely dry. Assemble the breast shield, valve, membrane, bottle, and tubing according to the instructions. Place the breast shield over your breast and center your nipple in the tunnel. A proper fit helps prevent discomfort and supports good milk flow. Start pumping gently to stimulate letdown. Once milk begins to flow, continue at a steady and comfortable rhythm. Strong suction is not necessary, comfort is more important than power. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes or until milk flow slows. Stay relaxed, breathe slowly, and sit comfortably, as stress can reduce milk output. When finished, stop pumping before removing the breast shield. Store the milk in a clean container, label it with the date, and place it in the refrigerator or freezer. After each session, wash all milk contact parts with warm soapy water and allow them to air dry completely. Breast pumps are helpful tools that support milk supply and make breastfeeding more flexible for busy moms.